Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Microsoft Store is missing or not showing or not even installed on your Windows computer. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type WSRESET. Run command, click on it. Hopefully I should have resolved the problem. Close out of here. I recommend to try another way guys. Go to search menu and type Windows PowerShell. If it's still not working, Windows PowerShell, right click on it and run as administrator. We can click on over here, run as administrator. Yes. Check my description for command. Copy it. Tap the bar, right click, eject, paste it. The cursor is blinking. That's it guys. Go and restart your PC guys. Now open up the store. It should work. It should to be able to work properly. That's it for today's video guys. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up guys.